Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're opening your Xcode project and jumping straight into main. Storyboard. Start by adding a view controller to the canvas so you have a concrete scene to work with. Make sure your project's target device and deployment info are correct, because layout differences matter. Once the new controller is present, set its Storyboard ID and check the Initial View Controller box if it's your app's entry point. This gets you into designing screens instead of fiddling with peripheral setup. Now you'll populate the scene with UI elements and make them functional. Add labels, buttons, and other views, then create auto layout constraints so the layout adapts across sizes. Next, create or select a UI View Controller subclass and assign it in the Identity Inspector so Code and Storyboard connect. Control-drag from UI elements to your class to create IB outlets and IB actions. Set delegates or data sources for table views. Once connected, build to catch compile-time binding errors before runtime testing. You should run the app in Simulator or on device and navigate to the Storyboard scene to validate behavior and animations. If views look off, use the View Debugger and check runtime console logs for auto layout or outlet exceptions. These tools show misconfigured constraints and broken connections. When you hit an error like this class is not key value coding compliant, check Storyboard ID, outlets, and segues. Remove stale connections and rebuild. One key tip: clean the build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.